Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to duplicate products on Shopify. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to click on the product section at the left side of your screen. Now select the product. So for example, this sample test product, click on that. Okay. So now you should see the duplicate button. So just go ahead and click on that. Now, if you want to change the name, just go ahead and change it. So, duplicate just like that. Then now, if you have any details you want to copy, just go ahead and check it. Or the product status if you want to set it as draft or active. Okay. So, now click on duplicate product. Once you've done that, go back here on your product list. As you can see, this is the duplicated product that I've done earlier, okay? And that is how you duplicate a product here on Shopify. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day!